Like, oh god, Nigeria. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Anya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys. How's your Christmas going? What are you doing for Christmas? What did you do for Christmas? Hope you received lots of presents. Hope even with this whole lockdown situation, you're doing extremely well. Hope your family and everybody is safe. Hope you're all healthy and good. This video is gonna be a get ready with me makeup tutorial, full face of makeup, because in my last makeup video, I'll link it up here, it's an easy, simple, everyday makeup. I said that if you want to see full coverage makeup, you should leave it down below, and people were like, one person was like, they want to see a full coverage makeup, and I was like, I got you, girl, I got you. So I decided to do a full coverage makeup, and I have not done one of these in a while. So if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep on watching. Let us begin. So if you've watched my other video, I'll link it up here. You know that I do not start with my eyebrows. I normally start with my face, then I move to my eyebrows for it to look more natural. So instead of doing that now, I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and this is going to be interesting because my eyebrows are very, very bushy. I was supposed to shave them yesterday, but I'm lazy. So normally I use my eyebrow gel from Usher's, but I'm going to use the Davy's eye pencil to draw my. I've not done this in months. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrow. In case you're wondering where I'm looking at my mirror. I'm looking at this mirror. Then I will brush it forward. I'll use my thing and brush it from the front, so that I'll have that gradient look. So next I'm going to use a concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer again in the shade Chestnut, the one that's closer to my skin shade. I'm gonna put it behind my, then I carry an angle brush and then I just carve out my eyebrows. So then I use, oh my god, I didn't tell you what I'm doing. I'm using a blending brush to blend it into my skin so you won't see any harsh lines or anything like that. So, wow, okay. This doesn't look half bad. I'll do the other one off camera and I'll come to you guys to do my eyeshadow. So after literally 20 minutes of trying to make this eyebrow look like this one, you're back. So let's start with our eyeshadow. First we're going to we're going to put concealer on our eyes so our eyeshadow pigment to come. We're doing a full glam makeup look. Then I carry my blending brush and I blend the concealer out into my base. So we're done with that. Now I'm going to use the black opal finishing powder in the shade medium to set the concealer for easy application of the eyeshadow pigment. I'm going to set it in place. So first I'm going to carry my Tara High Intensity Pigment palette, and I'm going to go in with a transition shade, a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this shade right here, this transition shade right here. I need a darker transition shade, maybe I'll get one later, but for now this will have to do. It's literally the same color as my powder, but it's fine. For dark skin people, the transition shade that you should go for is orange, but this is the closest thing I have to orange, so I'm just going to have to use it. Then I go in with the inner corner color, and for that I'm going to use the Magic by Juvias plate. And I'm going to use the gold shade in here. And the thing about me is I have hooded eyes, so my eye space is not that much, so I have to go above my crease. I don't know the name, but I have to go above it so my eyelid space will look bigger. Then I will go in with my Tara palette again. I'm going to mix black and this purple right here to make it less black but dark. So I'm going to go out and just put that in my outer corner. Then we go back in with the gold to blend it out. Okay, then I'm going to use there is no light. My neighbors on their dress. Okay, so I'm going to talk quickly. So I'm going to use the blending brush to blend the outer corner. Oh my god. The outer corner of my eye. Like, I'm just going to blend. So I'll make sure I don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. Going back in with my transition, the thing I use as a transition shade, this light orange, and helping blend everything out. I've not done a liquid eyeliner in a while, so I'm going to do that now. My eyelashes are so curly, so it touches my eyelids. That's how curly my eyelashes are. So I can't fix eyelashes, I can't do eyeliner well, I can't do so many things that other people can do with their eyes. I have a technique that I use because my eyelashes are so curly. I go in and I start stabbing my eye. I'm going to go in with concealer to shape the eyeliner. So I'm using a blending brush to blend that side out. I'm going to use the black opal mascara and I'm going to mascarize my eye. The way I used to do it is I go above my eye and I scoop it down and I can't talk and do this at the same time. I scoop it down and I curl and I let go because my eyelashes are curly. And I go one last time above because some of my eyelashes are straight, some are curly. So I'm done with this eye. I'm going to do this eye off camera, then we'll come and do my whole face. So I'm done with the two eyes. They look nice, but it feels weird because I don't have foundation on. Next step is foundation. So I'm going to use my Zaron Pure Perfection foundation. I can't put it on my hand because I have concealer there. So I'm just going to put it straight on my face. Just carry a healthy amount because we're doing full coverage foundation. And this is actually I think it's a full coverage foundation. I really hope you can hear me. If you can't hear me, I'll just cry. I'll just sit down as an editor and just start crying. The foundation is too light for me, so what I do is I go with my Blend Pro concealer and conceal, and it's a dark shade in the shade Coffee. So I'm going to put this here to help the foundation be my shade, and I just start blending. Oh, it's too light. Oh, Chineke. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. I look orange. Okay, I'm just going to try my best to make this my color by force by fire. You must blend to be my color. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put concealer. I'm trying to do as fast as possible. Let's go fast. Going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer in Toffee. I'm going to use the dark concealer to do a contour. Now we blend. So I'm going in with my black opal finishing powder. Then I will set my contour with the Zaron face definer. I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to brush everything off now. Light? They brought lights. They brought lights, not before I was filming, it's after. It's after I'm almost done. Oh god, Nigeria. I'm going to set my whole face with the makeup, the classic makeup pressed powder in ebony. Oh wow. Hey, see Chine. So we go to lips. So this time I'm going to actually line my lips. I'm using the classic makeup jumbo in the shade 4. I'm going to go with my Revlon red lipstick. This is in the shade gladylisious. It's the only red lipstick I have. I don't own red lipsticks, so it's not a matte deep lipstick. It's more of a glossy lipstick. Next we go in, I think I forgot, we're gonna use highlighter. We're going to use the same Zaron shade, but this time in this one, the highlighter here. The highlighter. Oh good. This is a panicky get ready with me. This is not a calm chill get ready with me. Oh, forgot to show you what I'm wearing. Normally in Get Ready With Me, they show you what they're wearing, but I'm legit just wearing like orange shorts. Hey, if you follow me on my TikTok, you know the orange shorts. If you don't follow me on my TikTok, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Can't follow. So I think we're done. I think this is done. The ending was a bit rushed, but I think we're done. This is so cute. I already made up my mind that center pattern does not fit me, but I think I'm liking center pattern now. This is a Christmassy, ready vibe. You see the lips and the doesn't match yeah, but you know, red and everything. This is so nice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to follow me on my social medias, you can follow me on my Instagram, on my TikTok. I need to stop saying that nonsense. My Instagram or my TikTok. I post on my Instagram every few days. I post on my TikTok basically every day, so why don't you just follow me? Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.